Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to hide number of likes on Instagram. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, and as you see here, the number of likes appear. Now to hide the number of likes, go to personal profile by tap on this icon. Then tap on the hamburger icon top right. After that, tap on Settings. When these interfaces appear, choose Privacy. Then choose Posts. And from here, you can see the option of Hide Likes and View Counts. So to hide number of likes on Instagram, simply turn it on. Now when you go back, you're gonna find that the number of likes has disappeared. And of course, you can view likes list by tap on this option. And I just want to mention that there's also a way to hide number of likes on your own posts, and you'll find it on the video that will appear on the top of the screen. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!